Utrecht Science Park is a great place for Polpharma Biologics, Utrecht, to be based. We can access all sorts of interesting innovations that arise from the academic sector here, and also there are lots of small companies as well that can be our clients. Particularly in the Utrecht site, Polpharma Biologics is a contract development and manufacturing organisation with specialisms in developing biosimilars for clients and also new molecular entities. The capabilities we have at the Utrecht site are quite vast. We understand exactly what the client's needs are, and we create very much a bespoke package for them which is aligned with their capability to provide finances and also their timelines. We can start all the way from antibody discovery, and we can take all the way through to cell line development, process development, and then provide a client with an RCB and a process which they can then scale up into GMP. We see ourselves very much as a partner research organisation whereby we hope the client sees us as an extension of their company, because clearly we care a lot about the therapies that they are developing. We want to make sure that we are helping them get to their endpoints as quickly as possible.